Texas Speed TSP 224R 224/224.600/.600 Camshaft Spring Kit, Chromoly Pushrods, and Gasket Set 4.85.35.76.0 LS1 Cam includes TSP .660 Dual Spring Kit with POC Racing Polished Springs, Titanium Retainers, Hardened Spring Seats, and new valve stem seals, 7.400 Chromoly Pushrods, crank bolt and gaskets for water pump, timing cover, and front seal. The 112 LSA helps to bring the Camshaft's power band lower in the RPM band. The lower LSA also creates a slightly rougher idle. The 224R Camshaft is without a doubt one of the most popular Camshafts we offer for the LS1 engines. It has awesome drivability while making a solid 40 plus rear wheel horsepower gains. For customers looking for a smaller Camshaft that packs a big punch,